If you've ever struggled to read text, view small images, or make a web page easier on the eyes, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to zoom in on Mozilla Firefox using two simple methods. We'll cover the fastest keyboard shortcut first, and then I'll show you how to zoom using the Firefox menu. This is a quick but super useful trick for anyone who wants to make browsing easier and more comfortable. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tips just like this. Let's jump right in. The easiest way to zoom in Mozilla Firefox is by using your keyboard. On a Windows computer, press and hold the Ctrl key, then press the plus sign, which is Ctrl and plus. Every time you press it, the page will zoom in a little more. This is perfect when you want to make text larger without changing any browser settings. If you zoom in too far, you can keep pressing the plus key to increase the size step by step until it looks just right. If you want to zoom back out later, you can use Ctrl and minus to make the page smaller. And if you ever want to return everything to normal, just press Ctrl and 0 to reset the zoom instantly. That shortcut brings the page back to its default size, which is really handy if you've zoomed in a little too much. Now, let's go over the second method using the Firefox menu. In the top right corner of Firefox, click the menu button, which looks like three horizontal lines. This opens the main browser menu. From there, look for the zoom section. You'll see a plus button and a minus button. Click the plus button to make the page bigger, or click the minus button if you want to make it smaller. This method is great if you prefer using the mouse instead of the keyboard, or if you're helping someone who may not remember the shortcuts. It's also useful if you want to adjust zoom quickly while browsing different websites. Once you get used to it, you'll see that zooming in Firefox is very simple and can make a big difference in your browsing experience. Whether you're reading articles, filling out forms, or viewing detailed content, knowing how to zoom in and out saves time and reduces strain. So to quickly recap, use Ctrl plus to zoom in, Ctrl plus minus to zoom out, and Ctrl plus 0 to reset. Or use the Firefox menu, open the zoom controls, and click the plus or minus buttons as needed. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.